This is a brief video series. Judd barefoot, the middle of July. We will shoe him on July 23rd. And here we've got one shoe on, but you can still see a forward position of the foot, but at the bank circumference. As you look at these feet, when he comes back to us on the 20th of August, which is right here, the hoof capsules are being brought back and the hairlines are becoming into a one-plane symmetry. He will wear these shoes until August 23rd. He wears them until October 27th. So the feet are shaping up, but as you will see in some of this, we're starting to pull his front feet. You'll see a view of actually how long his feet had become in that 9-week interval period. The length of those hind feet, the front was atrocious. But now look at the environmental rings and the position of his hooves. The top 1.25 inches is good hoof wall integrity. The bottom trash is starting to drift forward and bullnose because of its variation and its poor integrity. And as you watch this horse, when we've shortened his feet up and stood him, he's getting a hoof wall with better hoof wall thickness and better integrity. Here we have a quality hoof that is halfway grown, and it only took us 3 months.